As a leading Australian independent power producer, Zenith Energy specialises in supplying tailored off-grid power generation and service delivery models. We integrate a complete range of thermal and sustainable fuel sources, combining our innovative technology and deliver cost-effective and reliable power solutions. At Zenith, we pride ourselves in working with our clients to develop the best solution for their requirements. Our team's extensive expertise and experience in designing power generation solutions and creating specific control systems that enable us to integrate different fuel sources and provide hybrid solutions. It is through this partnering and innovative approach that our power station designs embrace multiple fuel types, enabling Zenith to deliver the optimum and most cost-effective power solution for clients. Our alternate fuel source options include natural gas, liquefied natural gas, diesel, renewables, solar, wind, and hybrid systems comprising a mixture of any of these fuel and/or energy sources. Zenith has the technical capability to integrate fuel sources that provide substantial social, financial, and environmental benefits that sets us apart in a competitive energy sector. Recently, Zenith worked with Independence Group, IGO, to deliver the Nova Solar PV plant, a Zenith build, own and operate module to create a cost-effective emission-reducing solution by installing a 5.5 megawatt solar photovoltaic or PV plant. This Zenith Solar PV plant is one of the first commercially funded renewable energy solutions without the support of ARENA or other government agencies. It is also one of the first hybrid diesel solar PV applications that seamlessly integrates with our existing 21 megawatt diesel-fueled power station without the need for expensive battery energy storage systems. Zenith's solar PV plant is designed to produce in excess of 10 gigawatt hours of electricity per annum, reduce the overall diesel consumption for IGO by approximately 3 million litres per year, and forecast reduction in carbon dioxide emissions by an estimated 8,100 tonnes per year. Situated at IGO's Nova operations 360 kilometres southeast of Kalgoorlie, the site of the solar PV plant is near the site village and approximately 4 kilometres from the mine site and Zenith's diesel-fueled power station. In conjunction with Circular Solutions, the solar PV plant construction commenced in 2018. The entire PV solar installation comprises of 211 tracker tables, each fitted with a small solar-powered motor enabling the axis tracking system to rotate the 15,000 PV panels on an east-to-west arc throughout the day. This allows maximum exposure for all panels to the sun's irradiance, maximising the electricity generated, which is then fed via a transformer and overhead power lines to Zenith's power station. The decision to exclude an expensive battery energy storage system highlights our team's ability to think outside the box and deliver this hybrid diesel-solar solution. The size of the solar PV plant was important to work in with this solution. With the mine average daily power requirement being 10.5 megawatt, all of the available solar generation is consumed by the mine demand. Throughout the night, the diesel-fueled station supplies 100% of the power demand. As the morning sun tracks over the horizon and the solar generation begins to feed into the system, the diesel-fueled generator's output is reduced accordingly. During the day, information is sent to the power station predicting a cloud cover event, enabling enough time for the diesel generators to increase their load output to offset the reduced PV output. The reverse process happens when cloud cover clears. To maintain a constant, secure supply of power, the generators don't switch off, but are balanced using Zenith's state-of-the-art cloud prediction and integration technology, maximising the full input that the solar PV plant generates. Zenith's web-based monitoring system provides real-time visual monitoring of both the diesel and solar megawatt output supplying the mine power demand, as shown in this extract from a normal day's operations. At 5 a.m, the solar output, represented by the yellow trace, commences generating as the sun begins to peak over the horizon. At the same time, you'll note that the diesel generation, represented by the red trace, starts to decrease at the same rate as the solar generation increases. During this transition, the mine power demand, the green trace, remains constant during all diesel and solar power transitions. At approximately 7 a.m, you will see the solar generation is reduced and the diesel generation responds proportionately by increasing. This is Zenith's cloud prediction technology, managing the load sharing generation between both power stations in response to a cloud passing over the solar plant. This visibly demonstrates the seamless transition between the diesel and solar generation process, resulting in a constant and reliable power supply across the site. It can be clearly seen that the solar generation supplies approximately 55% of the total mine power demand, maximising the solar output generation as seen by the flat yellow trace. As the sun starts to set over the horizon for the day, the solar generation decreases. As this happens, the diesel generators proportionally increase their output to counter this. Environmental well-being is paramount to Zenith, as is our commitment to reduce fossil fuel use and to mitigate impact of climate change. Zenith works with our clients to increase renewable generation penetration as the remote energy sector moves towards a zero-emissions future. Reducing CO2 emissions is important to our clients from both a social license and economic standpoint. We are confident renewable generation will continue to lower the cost of electricity supply whilst maintaining power quality and reliability. Battery technology is quickly emerging as a means to integrate various generation types to meet this challenge. The team at Zenith look forward to discussing and developing the right power solution for your business.